Hello insiders, this is Geek Insider. So first of all, you simply need to just drag and drop down the video on the timeline on which you want to add this mosaic effect. And now hover to the effects menu, and from left hand side simply select body effects, and under this scroll down a bit and select face mosaic, and out of which you need to download AI classic mosaic effect. And after downloading is complete, you simply need to just drag and drop down this effect on the video, and now double click on your video and go to the effects menu. Here on the screen you can see that Filmora software is processing your video and evaluating the video and identifying all the potential faces so that the mosaic effect can be effectively applied on your video. And as soon as this process gets completed, it simply shows all the faces featuring in the video, and from here you can simply select or unselect the faces on which you want to apply this mosaic effect. And you can see how am I doing it, and also you can adjust the blur strength, opacity and other features also. And now we are gonna know how to add different kinds of stickers on different faces featuring in the video. So just see and follow. And for information, I also need to tell you that once the processing of our video has been done and Filmora software has recognized all the faces, and after this now you don't need to process again and again this video and set different kinds of settings for the stickers on the faces of people featuring in the video. But you can do some other things with the stickers that you can see in this video. What I am doing, I am just simply resizing the shape of the stickers. I can change their position and other things, and these things are just I'm telling you. However, you can adjust all these things according to you. It all depends on you. Keep your creativity alive, yeah man. And now getting to this Tommy Shelby video. For this video also you just need to repeat all the steps that I have shown you in the previous video, and you can select different kinds of stickers out of here and just follow the previous steps. And if you are facing any kind of issue regarding this effect or any other problem in this Filmora software itself, you can do let me know in the comment section. I'll respond you in the comments only, and if your issues are some larger or can't be explained in comments, I'll definitely make a video for you. So thanks for watching this video. This is